students, in the previous class we learned about the pair of linear equations and the comparing ratios. So the comparison of ratios, we have three type of lines. The first one is intersecting line, second one is parallel line, and the third one is coincident lines. So here the first one and second one we did in a previous class, but we are learn about coincident line in this class. So as we learned, intersecting line which having the ratio a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So we are not asking any question regarding to c1 by c2, c1 by c2, because as usual a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. There is no necessity of we go through on the c1 by c2. And when we know about the parallel lines, it having a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and it is not equal to c1 by c2. So first one is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then it is equal and c1 by c2 is not equal. And the third case we know that one. So all are equal. That type of lines are coincident line. The intersecting line is in the shape of, when we draw this one in a graph, we obtain two straight lines which is coincide. That means which is intersect at a particular point. That is called as x comma y. In the parallel lines, we as usually know that from 5th and 6th standard, you learnt all of the things regarding to the parallel lines. These parallel lines are not meet at a point. So due to that reason, it doesn't having any solution. So intersecting line having only one solution or unique solution. Yes? Yeah, I think you get it. So in the parallel lines, it is not meet at a point. Due to that reason, no solution. There is no solution at all. So when we come across the coincident line, it having a solution. Why? How it can be possible? So one line is, so shall we take it as this one is AB, and another one line which is overlap on this line. So overlapping this one. That is called as a PQ. So each and every point which is coincide, due to that reason it having infinite solution, many solution. Many solution. So this is the main thing. So on the base of this one, we can go through on the different problems regarding to the coincident line. Shall we take one example? So 3x plus y is equal to 3, 9x plus 3y is equal to 9. See here, a1 is equal to 3 and b1 is equal to 1 and c1 is equal to 3. a2 is equal to 9 and b2 is equal to 3 and c2 is equal to 9. When we compare it together, that time 3 by 9 is equal to 1 by 3 is equal to 3 by 9. Yes, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So when we cancel it, what will be obtained at the end? See. So finally we obtained 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. So this is the main task. By the helping of this final solution, we concluded that it having many solutions. Due to that reason, these lines are coincident lines. Okay. So when we having unique solution, so then it is called as a consistent solution. When we have no solution, then it is called as an inconsistent solution. And when we have many solutions, then it is also called as a consistent solution. So how many lines are consistent solution? So two lines are consistent solution. Which are there? One is a intersecting line, another one is a coincident line. So on the base of that one, this one is consistent pair of equation, and this one is also consistent, pair of equations, and no solution, that means it is inconsistent. Pair of equations. So on the basis of this topic, pair of linear equation, definitely you gain the marks, 2 marks. Definitely you gain 2 marks in your examination. 2 marks question is there in your examination question paper. So go through on that one. Definitely you gain the marks. And another type of question is also given in the examination, that is regarding to the comparison ratio on the basis of a general form of a pair of linear equation. What is the general form of a pair of equation? a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So these equations are very important. On the basis of that one, you have to write the comparison ratio of intersecting line, parallel line, and coincident lines. So on the basis of this one, so you can easily solve the question. Okay, all the best. Thank you.